Hey everybody, want to welcome you back here for an update on harmonic pattern collection for the HSI dot. I want to show everybody how to get the new dot and install it into the platform. Now, let me just begin that we currently have it available for TradingView, and I expect for us to roll it out in the next several weeks to all of the other platforms. The easiest thing to do to get a free trial is go to HarmonicTrader.com, register as a basic member. All you need to do is put your email address into the sign up and then go to the basic members page here for all the information on how to get the free trial. Simply send your TradingView username to hpc@sr-analyst.com and we'll set you up. If you are interested for more information, again, all of the software and harmonic pattern information is available on HarmonicTrader.com. Now let's install the program. I have the old HSI arrows. Those are these pink arrows. This is Harmonic Strength Index is the primary confirmation tool we use with harmonic patterns. And now with the updated HSI confirmation dot, it even gets us closer to those ideal executions in the zones. Here's a chart of Apple. Beautiful bat pattern right now. It's a type 1 bat pattern, and it had confirmation, everything that we want to see in this zone. And now we're getting that full development. It's a type 1, but pattern completed there. HSI arrow completed there, but we see it took a couple extra bars. Let's install the dot and show how that improves the execution. Remove the old dots, just click that, that'll take that away. Go to your indicators, go into the invite only scripts. You're going to see all our harmonic pattern collection scripts right here. Just reinstall the new HSI arrows. Okay, you don't need to install the indicator itself. This is harmonic strength indicator right here, and so the arrows and the dots all deal with this indicator coming out of the extremes. I like to remove, we also have pi 5 bands. I'm not going to get into that in this webinar, but for our sake, let's just remove the pi 5 bands so we can make it clearer. There you go. Now, check out where the HSI dot comes in. This is Apple. 5, 7 bars later after the fact, and then look at how much less drawdown you have to go through with that type of confirmation. For now, I'm keeping both the HSI arrow and the HSI dot, but if you'd like, you can simply go into the settings and you can remove the arrows. If you want to just optimize with the new dot, do that. Oh, sorry, I took them both off. There you go. So update that on your new platform. If you have any questions, reach out to us and join us on the Discord or send me an email, hpc@sr-analyst.com, and get set up with the TradingView username, to get set up with the program for free, 2-week free trial, and all the other platforms that current subscribers have. We will get that set up probably within the next month. We do have harmonic pattern collection for Sierra Chart, NinjaTrader, MetaTrader, eSignal. Again, any other questions, reach out to me. Otherwise, welcome. Again, contact me if you have further questions.